Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add multiple pages in one Canva project. Well, once we have all the pages and we want to add them to one, what we should do is click on Share, Download. Here, select the PNG format. And here below, we make sure that all the pages are checked. Once downloaded, click on Uploads and upload all the images. Now we will select one by one and adjust them as we want. Once finished, they will simply download. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.